road trip this morning. First stop, Hoover Dam. What a hole.
There's a lot of concrete.
Well, we read the stats one time, didn't we? Like how much concrete it took? We were looking it up one time.
Arizona now, right?
Yeah, yeah. What you doing, babe?
Texting girls.
Oh, okay. Tell Richie you're gonna estimate the concrete. Do an estimate.
Maybe estimate the railing or something. We'll probably have everything leaking. Okay, so I'm in Arizona. We are here. That's a spillway.
Yeah, we came over here.
Yeah.
Okay.
What river is this? Colorado River?
Yeah, I think so.
Hey, we visit Arizona.
Yeah. Babe, this is unbelievable.
Yeah.
I don't know what I expected, but I guess you just don't know until you see it.
Yeah. Well, I did some research, so.
Yeah, but I mean pictures, we've seen it in movies, of course, but I mean, this is a beautiful part of the country.
What's the Griswold said? What a magnificent achievement or something?
Yeah.
Feels pretty good in the
It
sun.
does. It's gorgeous out.
There. You got it, right?
I'm sure.
Right top. In the rock.
Hold on, hold this, babe. I'm going to take a picture and send it to Jared. Take one.
There you go.
What, babe?
Me and you?
Yeah.
Want me to hold it for you guys?
No, we're
No,
going.
that's okay. Thank you,
I'll
though.
freeze and make a picture out of it.
Okay.
Climbing up there.
Yeah, but didn't they show a door like here in the middle of it?
He's like, hey, honey, I'll be right up.
Yeah.
And she was standing right here.
Yeah. I mean, it's so crazy. It looks like something at Disney. You know what I mean? Like made up.
So I guess that's that, like once in a while, waterline level.
Yeah.
This color rocks. That's
Yeah.
high.
I know.
That's
The difference.
Up to here.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a wrap for Hoover Dam visit.
Hoover Dam.
We're gonna go California next.
Yes.
Just
And I
to
think
say
we're right on
goodbye.
schedule.
Yes, we are. Losing my voice.
Yeah, it's not even windy in Arizona,
This is
babe.
is
It's true. My hair was
not.
going crazy on the other side of the bridge.
Overflow thing looks like a big submarine in the middle. Look at all this concrete. Look at that.
And this was the Army Corps of Engineers built
Yeah,
this?
there's a metal cap. Yeah, amazing.
Oh, so you do it next week.
All right, so that's it for Hoover Dam.
That's it, babe.
We'll take some more
Be
pictures.
driving over the bridge soon.
Okay.
Next shot.
Yes.
I cannot beat you. No, I won't have it, babe. Not playing this game. I do not feel you. I'm not crossing that tape. It would be a shame. So listen, baby. Listen carefully. 'Cause I got something to say. I feel us fading. Listen carefully. Let's stop this charade. Stop this charade. Stop this I wanna make things right. Run away on this night. Do whatever we like. We will see things clearly. On top of the world is what we deserve. So listen, baby. Listen carefully. 'Cause I got something to say. I feel us fading. Listen carefully. Let's stop this charade. Stop this charade. Stop this charade. Stop this charade. I would give you the world if it was up to me. It's not too late to be heard. So tell me what I need to know. Tell me what I need to know. And stop this charade. Let's stop
What are you out there recording? What's that to see? Hikers over there. Amazing. Yeah, walk on this terrain. It's like asking for a disaster, isn't it? Let's go look at the get some red stones. There's people right there hiking. It's not that far, but they do look small over there. Way over there. There's a group. People down there. Very cool. Would be neat to see some kind of rails jumping around too.
I know. This is even more than I thought too.
Whoa.
I thought it was going to be like a little area that we went to. The
Not
park's
just
huge.
the drive-through, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know, there's a whole ordeal over there.
Yeah.
Let's show
Well, I know
where
you
we're
can
going.
hike here. We're going to walk down the walkway.
There's a walkway?
Yeah.
Or dirt path? We call it a dirt path. What's your step? You gotta watch your step here. Whoa. Because that's what it looks like over here already. A little bit rough terrain. Let's go. Should we watch out for snakes?
I think the path's okay, but I think close to the side we should.
I'm gonna spin this around. Okay, well, we actually
Down the trail.
officially on the red rocks. Standing on it. Ah, man. Come here.
Well, let's not fall. So we'll take the selfies and they fall.
You know how many people stood on this rock, probably?
I know.
I mean, there's people everywhere. Yeah, this is not an hour thing. This is like half a day over here.
Easily be here. Well, especially if you're hiking.
Yeah. You can what?
No, you could go everywhere.
Maybe the car is an hour limit. Maybe
Yeah.
with the hiking, it's not.
Well, they have to make sure, yeah, there's parking for everybody coming in. Yeah, because how are you going to get somewhere and get back if you're hiking within an hour?
Yeah.
Maybe that's why they were walking so fast, babe.
Amazing how the green terrain meets with the red.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, another high recommended by us. Visiting this, what's it called, Red Canyon?
Red Rock Canyon.
Yeah, just west of Vegas. Neat. here. Maybe on the 5th stop. Skipped. 2nd, 3rd, and 4th maybe.
What's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city light.
Road.
Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now.
I really did. I just saw
Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one